Before we dive into today's topic, kindly note that this video is sponsored by the like button. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel as we have wonderful videos you would love to see. Okay, now let's take a look at anchored euro. In the crypto world, where the vast majority of successful stablecoins are dollar-backed, there lies an interesting opportunity for euro-backed stablecoins. Over time, there have been several attempts to create such stablecoins. Some have been considerably successful, while others ended up closing due to regulatory uncertainty. Nevertheless, with the establishment of the European Union's Revolutionary Markets in Crypto Assets, or MiCA, regulations, we will likely see a surge of new euro-backed stablecoins like anchored euro. So, what is an anchored euro? Anchored euro is a euro-backed stablecoin created by Swiss issuer Anchored Coins. Founded in 2022, Anchored Coins aims to achieve stability in the crypto space while fostering regulatory clarity and industry-wide compliance. Anchored euro is designed to maintain a one-to-one peg with the euro. This means that, by design, 1 unit of anchored euro should always be worth 1 euro. It combines the benefits of the digital and traditional worlds, providing users with a stable option in the crypto space. The potential benefits underlining the importance of anchored euro in the evolving digital economy include diversification, cross-border transactions, compliance, and interoperability. While the potential limitations of anchored euro as a euro-backed stablecoin may include dependency on central entities, price volatility, and regulatory risks. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain traction, the introduction of the anchored euro marks a significant step towards integrating the stability of traditional fiat currencies with the advantages of blockchain technology. Anchored euro operates as a euro counterpart in the crypto space, enabling seamless, efficient transactions and providing a stable value reference in the volatile digital asset market. Even though it is pegged one-to-one with the euro, owning anchored euro requires a degree of caution and awareness of the risks inherent to stablecoins. If you know you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video, kindly hit that like button to help us get this video to as many people as possible. And also hit the subscribe button. It's one good way to support what we're doing. Until I see you in the next video, keep learning and stay curious.